Welcome. In front of me is MyPhone N23, and today I'll show you how we can put this device into boot mode. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen twice and select your boot options right here and select power off. When the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. This will boot us into the boot mode. Once you're here, you can let go of both of the buttons, and then to navigate through these three options that we have visible, you can use volume up. As you can see, this arrow will just kind of point to one of the three options, and volume down will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now the first option is recovery mode, second one is fast boot mode, and the third one is normal boot, aka just going back to Android, which is what I'll be selecting. So I'm going to press volume down now. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.